Hi, my name's Taylor Bradley. I'll be working with your kids in study skills during period 1 this semester. We've got a nice range of freshmen through juniors, so it'll be nice to have the experience of multiple students at different ages for this class. So just some things we're going to be doing this year in class. Big thing will be completing work for other classes. With that, I'll be able to do some specialized academic instruction with you kids. We'll always be working on IEP goals, trying to meet those goals. Then we'll do professional development and school-based skills, learning how to send, professional emails, how to organize, how to be prepared for classes, things like that. And then throughout the year, we'll do different mindfulness techniques and just learning some of those things. Best way to contact me is email. I have my email listed here. And then also my office phone is hooked up, and here's my number. I do a pretty good job of getting back to students and parents within 24 hours. So feel free to contact me if you have any questions. Have a great night.